Hey guys, what's going on? So this is my moto vlog, my first one, moto vlog number 1, and my audio sucks. I'm working on it. I've went out multiple times and been disappointed. But either way, running a 2019 Road Glide special. I'm obviously doing a voiceover because my audio is that bad. And I think in moto vlogging, that's probably, from what I gather, the number one thing. It's the number one thing I've struggled with. That guy's got a cool tractor right there. Bang! But anyway, I'll let you hear it. You know, right when we pull out right here, you'll get a pretty good heads up when I hit the street. Obviously, I'm on dirt right here, but as soon as I hit the street, I'm going to throttle up, and you'll just see the audio go sideways. So I'm working on it, and next vlog, hopefully the audio is a little bit better. But here we go. Check it out. You'll see what I'm talking about. Sketchy, super gravel, and cars fast, so I always just hate that one. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're going. So you could hear that popcorn start to go, you know, like where it's like popping and cracking, especially when you get up to speed. It just gets worse the faster you go. I mean, right here I'm cruising at like, what does a speedo say, like 30, just putting. You get out 50, 60, and it's ridiculously bad. But in saying that, I think I'll try a Purple Panda next, and I'm kind of bummed I got to do a voiceover on this, but at least you know, you can check out what I got so far, and hope you like it. So this is the other thing is I know I'm throwing a camera back at me. My hands are cold right now. You can see, like right here, I'm riding and I'm talking and I'm thinking everything's good and hoping for the best, and you know, you just don't know. You get back after doing a ride and you're like, you know, it's like the wind gets let out of your sail because, you know, the audio sucks. I watched him as well, and I think I got a pretty good setup. It's just I get a lot of wind noise and then a lot of feedback when I talk, and I think I just have too much open air on the dead cat. I'll tell you this though, it may look warm outside right now, but it's definitely cold. Basically President's Day today. Got the day off. Figure take the bike out and try and get a little footage. So, like I was saying before, it's 2019 Road Glide special. Harley bike, love it. Couldn't be happier. Definitely like the sound of the Vance and Hines exhaust I got on this. So like right here, you can kind of see I'm thinking that the audio's good, and I'm pretty stoked about what I'm talking about. I kind of got a groove on. I'm like kind of settling in on how I want to, like, you know, vlog this out, you know, and just kind of have a discussion, and, you know, just be able to have a good edit, good content, and you know, not realizing how horrible the actual audio is. But again, that's what this video is all about, is the ups and downs and the things that you do to try and get it dialed in. I mean, you see these guys, you know, top vloggers that are you know, doing moto vlogs. I mean, these guys have like all went through this. This is all something that you do, and no one's going to give you all the secret formula. But one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go through with my videos, and I'm going to share exactly the steps that I go through, and I'm just hoping that my vlogs get better and better, and I can share tips and tricks and what I did and how I finally resolved or overcame different things. And, you know, if you guys are interested in the content, I mean, just give me a thumbs up and a like and subscribe, and you know, and I'll just share everything I can with you guys and help expedite, you know, you guys that are starting out, you know, because I'm just starting out. I'm a noob to the actual motovlog world. I mean, I do a lot of videos and stuff, but you know, this is new for me, and I enjoy riding. And I mean, why wouldn't I motovlog?